Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning background app refresh on and off on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. With background app refresh on, apps will be able to refresh their content in the background. Turning it off can help to conserve the battery life of your watch. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down the settings and select General. Scroll down and tap Background App Refresh. Tap the toggle in the top right to enable and disable the setting. When the toggle is green, Background App Refresh is turned on, and when it is grey, it is switched off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.